Good afternoon, everybody. Bandman Steve here once again. It is Wednesday, July the 19th, 2023. I am finally back with a stream of new videos that I plan to get posted as of this week. As I mentioned, I have been very busy keeping up with work. I've been working on the farm and just had a lot going on. And now I have many upcoming projects and some good stuff that I want to present to you. Starting off with this Lasko Cool Colors 20 box fan here, and this belongs to a family member, but I'm using it for the time being. And she swapped this out for the Lasko wind machine for better circulation. And hopefully the lighting in here should be a lot better, so it's easier to see everything. But anyway, the fan is a Cool Colors, and it is a jet black color. I have seen these here and there on YouTube, though I really haven't kept up with much of these with the modern box fans since I started collecting vintage fans. But this one is more or less of an exception. Basically, just the typical Lasko. Has the 5-bladed pedal blade set. Has a rather interesting design to it, very similar to the purple one that I have. As you can see, there is the Lasko logo. I'm not exactly sure if you can see it on camera, but it's had its fair share of use. It is slightly dirty, but it's not particularly filthy. So I really haven't gotten around to cleaning it just yet. Not that it's on my to-do list. There's the carrying handle and the speed selector, both of which appear to be like a grayish kind of color, usually white on the other box fans, even the Cool Colors that I've seen. And this is the back of it. Maybe you can see it, but there is the usual tuna can PSC motor. This is a very powerful fan too, by the way. Definitely ranks even higher than the 3733. I think anyone would attest to that one. Basically, everything on the fan is black, including the power cord, which is rather unusual because every fan that I had seen, the insulation on the power cords were white, but the prong retains the same usual color, which is a dark blue. I am not unimpressed with this fan. However, it does have a few small issues. Well, particularly the balance on the fan is not particularly the greatest. Though I do not see any cracks or any chips in the blade set. Everything would appear to be normal or intact, should I say. But other than that, this is not a bad fan. It just really could stand to be balanced, and I have zero experience with balancing the plastic blade set. I've watched a few videos on that procedure but not that I could say that I have the materials for doing such. Look up the information there on the bottom. Maybe you can see it. It's pretty much the same thing as the purple one. This one is maybe about a year or two older. This one was manufactured in late 2019 or 2020. The purple one is from 2022. Hopefully you can get all of that. I'll go ahead and I guess I'll go ahead and I'll give a demonstration of this. I'm going to briefly turn off the air conditioner to where it's easier to hear everything. And I have a mat here on my table. Hopefully this is going to help with the balancing issue. I'm pretty sure that the fan is gonna vibrate, but hopefully it's not gonna glide across the slick surface. So that's why I have this pillowcase here. Maybe it won't make as much noise, but I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start the fan up now, and I'll start it up here on the low speed. Here we go. Okay, so it would appear that the fan is running very smoothly, and there's hardly any vibration at all on the low speed. Very little, but not enough to where it's a problem. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's making a little noise. I think that's from where the hub could be rubbing up against the guard there. No, actually, no, it's not. Wonder what that could be. It's not making that sound before. Okay, so now it's starting to act up a little bit. And the table's vibrating along with the fan too. Okay, now we will power it up to high. Very powerful. It's putting out a good velocity of air. Like I said, I am not unimpressed with these fans. Spin down really isn't all that great either. Maybe I'm gonna have to do a video. There's gonna be a part 2 to where I'm gonna have to get this thing apart and do some work on this. I'm gonna take the phone off of the stand here, and what I'm gonna do is that I'm just gonna put the fan here on the tape, put the phone here on the table, and I'm going to turn the fan back on to where you can see the vibration here. I'll even just lean it up here against the fan. Oh, here we go. Not exactly sure where the problem is. Well, I mean, like I said, the blades appear to be in really good shape. Nothing is broken or chipped anywhere. I have taken this apart one time, and it doesn't seem like there's any play in the shaft whatsoever. Nothing's loose. Everything appears to be fine. If I'd known any better, I would say that maybe 7 out of 10 of these plastic bladed fans, the pedestal fans and the box fans, has a balance issue from one to the other. But I'm gonna start this up again. Let's look at this. Let's look at the center hub. I don't know if you could see it, but it would appear that the blades are not uh, very well uh, self-centered on the fan. That is my only speculation of this. And you also notice how quickly the blades come to a complete stop. So there's definitely some mysteries around this fan. I'm gonna try to get a part 2 on this whenever I can, and I'm gonna get this thing apart, have a look at the inside, see what I can do to correct the problem. Other than that, if I can just get those small issues resolved, this is a really good fan. So, well, there you go, everybody. I hope that you all have enjoyed this video of our Lasko Cool Colors 20 box fan. I hope that you all have enjoyed the video, and that'll do it for now. Have a good one, and I will see you later. Bye-bye.